Okay, so as a cybersecurity professional, I'm 100% sure that one day you will get into the situation where you want to extract some files from some system, some remote server, or some host over the network, and you don't want to leave the logs there, or you want to make footprinting minimal, you want to leave footprints minimal, right? So in that case, what you will do, right? So exact same situation happened to me, and I have created solution for this. Okay, so first I will demonstrate the solution, and then we will discuss how the solution can be modified to suit your needs, right? So let's get into it. So let's open the terminal first. I hope my screen is visible, and let me make the terminal a little bit bigger, right? So let's go to the directory where we will be conducting tests, right? So let's test and YouTube, that's the directory, right? So if I do ls right here, as you can see, the file called t.txt. That's the file we want to extract, right? So let me cat a little bit. So the file is saying basically this is very IMP data, hence we are conducting the test. I basically entered that data there, right? So let me clear this situation here. So let me pull the solution that I have built. Okay, so this is the GitHub where I have uploaded the script already. You can check the script, definitely will be using this script, right? So I will not going through this text data. So as you can see directly, there is a command that we will be using, right? So what is this command? So let's copy this command and paste on the terminal right here. So in order to work this trick, there is a one requirement and one requirement only. First thing, you should have Python 3 install on that particular system, or Python install on that particular system. Okay, so if I talk about the current days Linux system, almost every single system has Python installed on it. And okay, so let's continue right here. So let's enter the port. Okay, so let me enter the port 8003, right? So in my situation, a port 8003 was open because this port was being used for development purpose. Okay, so I took benefit of that particular thing, right? So let me enter password as a password and username as a admin, or let's say admin X, that's the best. Okay, and let me hit the enter. So once I hit the enter, it will start server on this particular port. So let's copy this particular thing. So in case if you are doing on some remote server, you will get one URL here, right? So you will get IP address and then port number, right? In my case, I'm doing on the local, that's why I'm getting 0.0.0. But in your case, there will be IP address, and if there is a no IP address, just add IP address if your system is a remote system. Okay, so let me open the browser, go to the new tab, paste it right here and hit enter. So as soon as I hit enter, as you can see, it is asking for password. So let me enter password and username, and as you can see, I can access this t.txt file right here and I can download it. Okay, so the best part is this connection is not secure. Don't worry about this not secure thing, because this is a one-time work. You just want to extract some files from there, and after that you are not going to access that server, right? So it doesn't matter, because you are going to set the temporary password and temporary username. So even if that password is getting leaked because of this HTTP connection, that doesn't matter, that doesn't count, right? Because this is a one-time situation. So as you can see the terminal, only some things are there printed right here. These logs are not getting added in anywhere else in the file, right? So you will be able to get the files on your system. You can download the files from the system. At the same time, if you do Control C and clear the terminal and clear the last command, there is a no trace that you have done this particular work, right? So it might be possible that there will be fingerprinting. If someone does fingerprinting on the server, it might be possible that they will get something like this, but there is a way, right? So what you can do is you can just go to the GitHub and you can modify my script. Okay, so how to modify script? Right now I'm passing the port right here. That's quite suspicious, right? So you can pass by default port in the script also. You can pass by default username also, and you can randomly generate in password in the script itself, and On running the script, you can just print the password on the terminal, right? You can just copy from there and paste it there, and you can use it as simple as that, right? How good it is, right? So yeah, that's pretty much all. And if you want to know about the command, so this is basically curl ls. That means it is taking the some text data from the github and then passing through the python 3, and it is running. That's all happening here. So you might be always saying that this link is not the github link, right? It's not github link. It's a firefly.in link, which is basically the url shortened, right? So this is a short url for my github server file. So yeah, that's pretty much all about this. So yeah, I quite found this script helpful in my particular situation. Let me know how you are using it and if this script is benefiting you or not, right? And if you have any suggestion, you can just go to the github and you can just create a new you can contribute in the code. Basically, you can create your own version of the server.py. This is the file right here, and it's a quite simple straightforward code. And that's pretty much all. Let me know if you like the video. If you do like it, please consider hitting the like button there. And yeah, for more educational cybersecurity educational videos, please do follow me.